and welcome to my channel all of you. Today's grammar topic is adverb. There will be multiple choice question and each question carries 1 mark. So let's start solving the question together. Okay, your first question is, the scientist explained the experiment dash so that everyone could understand. So which word should I put in this blank? Options are rapidly, clearly, suddenly, sadly. These are the 4 options. Which option should I put in this blank, or which word should I put in this blank to complete the sentence? Go through your sentence once again, go through your options once again, and I'm sure you'll be able to find the correct option. And the correct option is option B. Clearly. The scientist explained the experiment clearly so that everyone could understand. Okay? Okay, let's move to the next question. This is also fill in the blanks. Okay. We have dash finished the homework. Please check it. Now, your options to fill this blank are often, never, already, always. These are the 4 options. Which one is correct? Is option A correct? Is B correct? Is C correct? Or D is correct? Which one is correct? Those who are saying option C already are absolutely right. Well done. We have already finished the homework. Please check it. Okay. And don't forget to give yourself 1 mark for each correct answer because each question carries 1 mark. Okay. And keep counting your marks. Question number 3. He looked dash at the broken toy. Which word should I put over here? Options are quickly, silently, sadly, loudly. These are the 4 options. Which one is correct? It is option C, sadly. He looked sadly at the broken toy. Let's move to the next question, which is question number 4, which is another fill in the blanks. Okay, the sentences. The train will arrive dash than expected. Now, options to fill in this blank are later, fast, earlier, yesterday. These are the 4 options. Which one is correct? Is option A correct? Is B correct? Is C correct? Or D is correct? Which one is correct option? Go through your sentence once again. Go through your option. I'm sure you'll be able to find the correct option. What is the correct answer? It is option C, earlier. Okay? The train will arrive earlier than expected. Okay? Okay. Let's move to the next question. Question number 5. Question number 5 is another fill in the blanks and the sentences. She sings dash enough to win the competition. Now options are loud, well, quickly, slowly. These are the 4 options. Which one is correct? Choose your correct option out of these 4 options. It is option B. She sings well enough to win the competition. Okay, now before I move on to the next question, I have a tiny task for you. Mention in the comment section below which is your favorite English grammar topic. I would love to know, okay? Don't forget that. Okay, let's move on to the next question. Question number 6. Question number 6 says, you must speak dash in the library. Now, options are quietly, often, early, rarely. Which word should I put in this blank? Out of these 4 options? It is option A, quietly. You must be quietly in the library. Okay. Question number 7. We go to the market dash on Sundays. Options to fill this blank are rarely, always, usually, never. These are the 4 options. Which one is correct? Can you find the correct option out of these 4 options? It is option C. We go to the market usually on Sundays. Okay? Let's move to the next question. Question number 8. The kite flew dash into the sky. Options are slowly, calmly, high, gently. These are the 4 options. But which one is correct? Is A correct? Is B correct? Is C correct? Or D is correct? Which one is correct option? Who is going to answer quickly? Let's see who answers quickly. It is option C. The kite flew high into the sky. If you got it right, don't forget to give yourself 1 mark because each question carries 1 mark, and keep counting your marks. Okay. Now next question, question number 9. I have dash seen such a beautiful sunset. Options are always, ever, never, early. These are the 4 options. Which one is correct? Out of these 4 options, choose the correct option that I should fill in this blank to complete the sentence. It is option C, never. I have never seen such a beautiful sunset. Okay, let's move to the next question, that is question number 10, the last question. Okay, and it is, she nearly missed the bus because she walked dash. Which word should I put over here? Options are often, slowly, loudly, bravely. These are the 4 options. Which one is correct? Okay, before I tell you the answer of this question, if you find my video useful, please like and subscribe to my channel. Also, mention in the comment section below how much did you score out of 10. Okay? Okay, so coming back to the question, this is the fill in the blanks and these are your options. So which one should I put in this blank? It is option B, slowly. She nearly missed the bus because she walked slowly. Okay, with that we come to the end of this video. All of you did a great job. Give it a loud clap for yourself. Okay, see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye and happy learning all of you.